Hi, my name is Tim Judge from thekingsbay.com, and this is a video about powder post beetles. Just a little background about what I've done for a living over the past 30 or 40 years. Don't want to get too detailed into age. For 10 years, I was a professional furniture refinisher. I've been an antique dealer since I was 15 or 20 years old, a long time ago. If you like what you see in the video, please stop by our web store. After the video is done, at the bottom of the page, there'll be a link to kick over and look at it. We supply a lot of the movie studios, we have home bars, taverns, furniture, British phone booths, a little bit of everything. It'll be really fun just to look around. So stop by thekingsbay.com and hope you enjoy the video.
Powder post beetles are quite the nuisance, leaving unsightly holes and damage to furniture. Today, we are going to show you not only how to kill these beetles, but how to repair any blemishes that were left in the wood. To make the powder post beetle killing solution, you will need 2 parts water and 1 part boracare. First, combine all parts into a bucket or pitcher, and then mix them until the boracare completely thins out. You may also mix the contents in a spray bottle if so desired. With your solution now made, for this next part, you will need a paintbrush and a rag. With your brush, dust the afflicted areas and then lather the infested piece with the boracare solution. Or, you may use your spray bottle to treat the infestation and your brush to even out the coat. Once the powder post beetles have been treated, you will need wood filler, finishing wax, assorted wood tone paints, and the optional can of clear gloss paint. Take a glob of the wood filler and then thin it into a workable consistency. Then, mix it in with the desired colors for the tone of your wood. With the filler now mixed, apply it to the entirety of your damaged piece and then gently wipe it off with a rag. Once dry, coat the afflicted areas with a layer of finishing wax and rag rub until smooth. You may need to repeat this process until the blemishes are fully filled in. For more how-tos from thekingsbay.com, please visit our YouTube page or subscribe below.